Have you fallen victim to the dreaded ding-dong ditchers in El Paso and Las Cruces area? Cause I have. On the 22nd of October, a known serial ding-dong ditcher was caught on the most sophisticated hardware in home security. This next video captures the moment a home was plagued by this atrocious act. This footage might be distressing for some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. If you have any information leading to the arrest on any of these 6 assailants, call Dorney Security Systems today at 915-584-4526. Mention FitFam and get your first month's free. Dorney Security. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and God bless America.